Hi, my name is Kate and I'm here to show you how to style a floral dress about 7 or 8 ways, give or take a couple accessories or outerwear. I just got this beautiful dress from Sézane. It's a French brand and they just broke out in New York and they have a month-long pop-up in LA. But I got this, it's called the Andrew dress and it has this, like, look at this gold. It's absolutely beautiful. I got this in the mail and I tried it on with like everything I have and I found so many great ways to wear it, and so I thought I would do a video and show just basically the versatility of a floral dress featuring this one. I love the tie detail. It also looks really good in a bow, and I think this video is really useful for when you're packing, if you were looking to do a capsule wardrobe, just like looking to have something that's very versatile. I have 2 date night looks, 2 casual looks, like a boho look and like a work look. So if you are going somewhere where you want to just pack less and need to like have something that's very versatile, I think this dress will work for you. It's selling out quickly, so get your hands on it. I actually have a secret with how to shop for Sézane. I know when they restock their online returns. I have another video, so I will link that below and I will link it up here. But hopefully you can get your hands on this because this is absolutely beautiful and I cannot wait to show you how many ways you can wear it. I'll start off by telling you about the size. So this is a size 36, which is a size 4, American and Canadian. It is lined. The body is lined, but the sleeves aren't lined. So it's a very light, flowy fabric. It's silk, so it has to be hand washed or dry cleaned. So you have to be careful with that. And then you can see the ruffle. I will show you what this looks like on just plain, like how it's modeled on the site too. And yeah, the black is plain. And it comes in a red also, which is a little less formal. I think you can wear this for a wedding, and then I also will show you how to wear it every day. So here we go. So here's the dress as modeled, but we are going to tie it up in a sweet little bow, which I really love. On the model, they didn't show that you can tie this up into a cute little bow, so I think that's a really fun way to style it. Then we'll grab a cute little pouch, and we're on our way to date night. This is a cute, fun, and flirty look. This dress is again silk, and I think it is just ready for a nice summer night out, and it glows in a dimly lit restaurant. And we are on a date night alternative look with look 2. We still have the bow tied up, but let's change things up with our hair up, and let's belt it with a cute little vintage belt. This belt is secondhand, but I have some linked below, including a really gorgeous gold one from Sézane themselves. So take a look at that. Shoes are also vintage and again linked below. Let's add a cool statement bag. This one is from Zara and I absolutely love it. You're definitely gonna glow and be the most beautiful woman in the room with this dress and this look. For look 3, let us bring this dress to daytime by adding a sweater over top. A long sweater, this one is from Aerie, works really well. And my favorite thing to do is actually pop the bow out so that you bring a little color to your face and no necklace necessary. This is such a cute look. And it's for those cold spring days or cold fall days. You can add an over-the-knee boot. If you're on the go, you can add a cute little backpack. This one is from Pixie and Mood. Or if you need another layer, let's just add another trench. This one is from the Gap, but I also have some similar ones linked below. And this is like a smart, grabbing coffee, cute brunch look for every day. Let's add a headband and a really colorful sweater. This look is really good for if you are traveling and you want to use the same dress and pack light. Just add a sweater over top and you're ready for anything. A good coffee date, a nice walk around, add a nice cute bag. This one is from Sézane as well. And you are cozy and comfy and ready to go. I added sock boots to this look. I really love sock boots with dresses and I think they're very flattering on. Very fun and flirty and cozy. If you are getting ready for festival season, then this is the look for you. I have some over-the-knee boots, a cute little boho hat, and a suede bag. If you are looking to make any look boho, then add suede. Add suede, add tassels, and you are ready to go. I left the dress untied for this look, and it makes it a little bit more casual, but you still stand out, and the suede is a really nice contrast against the silk and the metallic of the dress. Okay, and now we are ready for work. Let's tie the bow back up and add a classic black blazer. This blazer is the perfect length for this dress. It allows the frill to show through, so it's a little flirty, but still sweet. In the winter, alternatively, you can add some black tights and black shoes, but I'm keeping this spring appropriate with a brown bag to lighten everything up, and then some classic shoes with the black toe cap. Everything again is linked below. Again, this is a great dress for if you need to travel and pack light. This dress will take you from dates to day to weekend. And that is my video styling this dress a million ways. I hope that was useful for you, even if you have something just lying around that you're not excited about anymore, like a floral dress, and I hope this kind of revives and gets you excited about it again so we could just love our clothes again the way we did when we purchased them. If this dress is something that you're interested in, hopefully you can get it. Again, the secret to buying Sézane out of stock is in the video that I have linked below. And I do a lot of Sézane stuff. I'm a big fan of the brand, not sponsored. I'm obsessed. And I do a lot of styling videos. So if you would like to see those, then click the subscribe button below and little bell that tells you when my videos go up. Otherwise, yeah, comment below if you have any questions or if you have any other suggestions. I would love to hear if you would style something differently. And have a good day.